No way I've been on a rant this whole time. This whole time. And I was muted. But, oh my gosh, I feel stupid. Hold on. I hope you all feel as much secondhand embarrassment as I do from this, but what I was trying to explain is anyways, so what I was explaining is this person on TikTok. First of all, I commented on this TikTok, and it's a TikTok of an airplane during landing where the speed brakes and hold on, I gotta mute this. I can't talk. So where both the speed brakes and the flaps were up. Well, flaps were down because that's how they work. And woman, it's called air brakes. And I responded to this person that said, where is it? Hold on, one momento. I can't find it. Well, I said that the flaps were the ones that pointed down and the air brakes were the ones that pointed up. And this person named NZ Plane Spotters, which is actually a pretty cool account, said nope, other way around, buddy. But it's definitely that way because flaps, they increase drag on the plane, but they also increase I can't name it specifically, but they like the plane tilts up with them since the drag is at the bottom, and just yeah. So what they're used for a lot is during takeoff and really short runways, because it helps get the plane off the ground a lot faster. And so this account, it's really cool though. It's called New Zealand Plane Spotters, and so it's a bunch of videos of planes flying and taking off, like C-130 Hercules cargo plane. Oh, this one's from the air. It's what's that? Sea Sprite helicopter. Huh. But they says the other way around, and it definitely isn't. There's a whole argument going on here on what they are. But I've done enough research that right here. So these are air brakes, okay? These, I can't tell exactly where they are from this picture. Here. Those aren't, they're flaps. This area thing, these are air brakes. But when they point down, when the air comes under, it causes the plane to move upwards generally. So yeah, I'm glad you guys heard absolutely nothing that I said. That I just spent the last 40 minutes talking about my code, and it just looks like I'm talking and then muting. well, basically. Gosh, I feel dumb. I can't explain how dumb I feel. Basically, these are different commands. Refall just goes through every person on the I need to change that because that causing an error. Well, it's not causing an error, but it's a problem. So refall goes through everyone on the server and like writes down their name and balance, but I don't actually delete any previous values. So basically what happens is everyone gets added on potentially twice, which probably not that big of a deal until it comes to changing people's money. And then update, or well, set all changes everyone on the server's balance. So like if I want to reset the economy or whatever. And then Bal goes through and checks the person balance. I already explained this once. Gosh. Aren't I a retard? Well, what I was trying to explain is that, gosh, now I lost my train of thought. I do this a lot. Boom, right here. So, supposedly, join in here. It should say that I joined, but as you can tell by literally nothing there, it doesn't. Where this is supposed to happen is right here. So on member join, it turns, this is what I added when you guys couldn't hear what I was talking about. This creates a cursor, which I also explained and you guys couldn't hear. Gosh, I messed up. Well, if only I had a chat to tell me. Y'all should be like helping me here. It adds the person's ID and $1,000, which for now is the default, and that commits it, prints cool kid, and then it should print blah 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 has joined, choose your next words carefully. But as this big white space can tell you, it doesn't, and I have absolutely no clue. So what do we do, kids, when we have no clue? When did I close Discord? Yeah, you got it right. We go to the discord.py server and ask someone. Go to 3py. No, that's only 2. You think I can go live on TikTok from here? That'd be dope if I could, but I don't think I can. I'm intrigued. I can install. What? How did that install? So, oh, it's just Google Chrome. I see. Yes. Oh gosh. I shouldn't tell you. Batteries are falling. This is fun. What happened to the last battery? I had 4 batteries. Now we have 3 batteries, and I don't know where it went. I'm trying to see if I can live stream on TikTok, because that would be dope. Login success. No, I don't. I thought I deleted this account. What's my other account? Huh? So right now I'm checking intents. Intent, both are on, so that's dope. And this guy wants me to check print, which is probably what I should have done, but you know, not a cool kid, so L, because why not? L's are cool. Don't judge the TikTok sample you are seeing on my home bar. I'm trying to see if I can live stream. Still nothing. Boom. So back to the figuring out if I can live stream on TikTok. Y'all can't see this, so I'm putting it in mine. Oh god, I should not be saying my phone number. I have absolutely, there's like 2 objects that are the same shape. Huh? Oh. Gosh, I feel like a 2nd grader. I'm just gonna test this, make sure this cog is being loaded by going here and spamming, seeing if it yells at me. So it yells at me, which happens right here. So obviously it's loaded. Incorrect password. Two objects like the same shape. Okay, got this. I'm getting better. We're up to like 30. Okay, I'm just logging in with the code. Send code. I just want to see if I can live stream my computer. Be a cool kid for once. Are you gonna send me a text, TikTok? You're not doing. Oh, there it is. 9995. Oops. Oh, it's only valid for 5 minutes. Let's hope no one's watching and or knows my password. Haha, no one's watching. Gosh, this is difficult. What's that thing for to post code? Post code. I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna Google that. Nope, that's postal code. Gist, I think is one. No, I want to open Gist. Gist. What's it? Gist code block. We're gonna try that. Press enter. Nope, definitely not Gist. Okay, so I think there is four different possible. What do you mean I failed the verification? Loser? Well, not that one, so. Why is TikTok so difficult to log in? Ugh. Waiting for the code, TikTok. Gosh. Oh, it's because it's the wrong phone number. Of course it is. Stupid. I'm literally asking you what my stuff is, not. That indenting. What about it? Gosh. Meanie. Disrespectful little meanie. Look at your last 2 events, mate. Fine, I will. That would be an error. Shut up. What it? Dang it, dude. She was right. Gosh. Hate smart people. Okay. Take number 64. But apparently I did a close. Discord. Let's see if I at least get a... Yeah, I got a leave message. Let's go. Let's see if this works now. Well, L cool kid. Huh. Seems good enough. Now if I go here and I do a little bow thing. Dash bow at... I'm gonna try this in a different channel that they can access, so I can actually see. This is sketchy because everyone might just... Yeah, look at that. It works. Aren't y'all proud of me? Hold on. I'll invite a few of my friends to this live. This is boring by myself. Oh, nobody from TikTok can... Hold on. Nobody from TikTok can see this because I put the wrong video. Hold on. I'm just gonna post this and test so that I can go on my phone and put this in my TikTok bio, because apparently I has got the wrong link. Like, I shut that one down. Edit profile, website, close, paste, save. Check. Posted in bio. My bad. Okay, now we need to turn off the stupid sound and add a cool one. Oh, this one's got a deer. Steven Universe. Hashtag stream, hashtag streaming, hashtag FY, hashtag Python, oops, FYP, hashtag Python, hashtag Discord. This streaming thing's pretty fun, to be honest. if I get enough normal people where I get like, confidence and all, I might just like post this on my Instagram or something so like people can see it, you know? Wait, 2 people liked. Who's the second like? I want to see this. I want to see this. Who's that like? Uh, uh, um, engagement. Likes Seymour. I want to see who exactly liked it, but I don't know if I can. Who liked it? It was me on my account, and then who? 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 Oh well. So, what I need to fix now is in this ref all. Apparently, it doesn't delete the old one, the old table. So I think I might have some duplicate values that'll cause problems when I try to make the pay command. So, before I get started on that, I'm going to send this to a few of my friends. And maybe some other people will see this. Should I send this to my math teacher? That would be funny. That's risky. Oh. That's funny. That's probably enough people. Oh, 2 people are watching. Hey. Okay, so now what I need to do is I need to make a query that will. I don't want to completely delete the channel, but I want to like clear the channel, I guess. Oops, that's not right. Too bad, Grant. You get all night. So, do you think if I just did delete from members, and would it clear everything? And then this never. It needs to do curse dot no self dot client dot members db dot commit to make sure I have one of those on every statement. Control F commit. Oh, I have it right there. And there. C, Control V, Control V, Control C, oops, Control Y, and then we want to, there, that should be all, and let's check, that's economy, events, we commit that, so that's all we need. He left, yo, what a loser. Everyone go cancel Grant Reddick. What is this YouTube account? Not even on his main, imagine. Thinks he's that popular. Everyone go cancel this man. Cancel. Cancel culture. Come on, guys. He's a dummy. He thinks he's popular. Doing homework and all. Let's look at this. Let's look at this. Imagine. Look at that. Look at this noob. Look at this noob here. He started streaming OBS. Like, really? Imagine. And then he has YouTube Studio open. Imagine. What a loser, my dude. Does he even do any homework in this? Like, oh, there we go. Everyone, I'm kidding. This is one of my best friends. I'm joking around. C title. Hold on. Oh, dang, we can't get the password. That sucks. Hold on, I want to go back. I want to see what he has to do. Dude, he missed Unit 3. Come on, man. Anyways. See, this is sketchy. Because this could just delete my whole table. And, you know, be annoying. You know what I find funny? I've been doing this on the complete wrong file. It's not that big of a deal, but I meant to be doing it right here. So first thing I need to do is, no. Control X minus, I want to go boom, and remove those tabs. I wish I could play music. I don't know if I play music, can y'all hear it? I don't care about getting a strike because, like, I have, like, what, 4 subscribers? What's gonna happen, really? What kind of music y'all want to listen to? Like, this seems interesting. Shout. Oh, that's loud. That is loud, I'm pretty sure. Wonder how loud this is. Hold on.
plane banks up and briefly disappears back into the haze, this time in the opposite direction. It returns into view, now flying in the horizon perpendicular to the aircraft carrier. The video cuts to sailors and airmen now.
This is boring, like real boring. what's cool music? Um, hmm. Let me look at my history, cause let's see if there's anything good in here. Dirt, I got a jar of dirt. And guess what's inside it? I got a jar of dirt. I got a jar of dirt. And guess what's inside it? I got a jar of dirt. I got a jar of dirt. Okay, I'll stop killing y'all's ears. What's a good movie? Yeah, I can't think of any good music. I'm not saying there isn't any, just none comes to mind. I don't listen to much music. This is awesome. It's a fun time. Just listening to Rick Astley say the N-word. Oh, this is actually a decent one. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. I don't know how loud this is. Hold on. You know, that's really perfect. There, I just turned on my headset. Okay, there we go. That's perfect. So, then we want to do self.client.members.db.commit. This just like commits it, like saves it, you know? So like right now, you see that blue? I'm gonna save it. See, I'm not actually like running it, I'm just saving it. That's kind of what it does. How many years of me feel like 550 this song is boring fast. Context.channel.send. Await. Okay. Honestly, kinda hoping for an error. That's something I say very rarely. I kinda like live streaming. You seen all the remixes of this? Just like, let's see if I can find one. King of the Dead remix. I guarantee the first thing that comes up is what I'm thinking of. And I have some good music ideas after this. What was I gonna do? Dash. That's not the error I wanted. I'm lost. I'm looking at the wrong thing. That's also not awaited. This. Okay. Let's see. Yes! That means it cleared the whole thing. Crazy. So basically, right there, that's the list of everything, which is nothing, which is good, because that was our goal right here with this delete from. We're hoping not to ruin the like structure of the table and instead just remove all of its contents. So yeah, when it printed, I had it, or say in chat right there, when it printed nothing, that means it successfully cleared the whole table, and then we added to it. So good. That's, oh gosh, I feel productive, and I did absolutely nothing today, but like, you know, since I feel like everything's going better. Maybe I'm just making less mistakes because I'm talking to myself, or I'm just doing less so then I can make less mistakes later. Gosh, no one's joining. It's fine, but like, my dudes, come on, come have a good time. I guess no one saw that, eh? Huh? Bruh. It's whatevs, my dude. I have 10,000 followers on TikTok. Y'all better be scared of me. How many people do you think are online right now? I'm gonna say like 2.2 thousand. Only 1.5. That might be why. Ah, that's loud. Normally it's more than that. ADHD. You know what would be cool? Being like a professional YouTuber. That would actually be pretty dope. So the last thing I'm gonna do tonight is I am going to create a pay function. So just, I don't know, this isn't necessary, but so I make like no mistakes, I'm going to like plan this out. So it's gonna be, well, first I'd like to explain the whole oh gosh, I got scared that I was muted again. First I'd like to explain the whole reason I started this is because I may or may not have a slight gambling addiction, and on Minecraft there's this, it's everywhere, but it's a coin flip, especially on the server Snapcraft, and I joined a new server and started playing that, and it just doesn't have a good coin flipping system, so I wanted to make this so I can use it for my you know, gambling needs. And I'm owner of the server, so I might just like take a tax out of every coin flip that happens, because that would be dope. Oh, sorry, just had to stretch. So, what we want is a dash pay. Then we want user amount. It's relatively simple. And so what we want it to do, just so that they don't like bypass any errors, we don't want to give the person they're paying first. First, we want to take the money. So we want to take money from command user. Then obviously we want to pay me that 1% tax because I love my people. Only 1%. And then we want to add money to user. A couple other ideas I had was like making like a crate system, maybe like keys kind of thing, or having like loot boxes. Well, it's the same thing, but then you could like trade the loot with other people, and it'd be like dope and all, you know? But I don't know. We'll figure that out later. This is probably the last thing I'm gonna do tonight. It was fun though. So they should be relatively simple. Now, where bad things happen is errors start happening that I don't know how to fix. Because, you know, everyone loves them errors. So, tab, minus tab, at commands dot command. Nope, not what I wanted to do. I don't think we need any aliases. Async. Hate me, hate me. Should we make like a minimum default of like maybe 1,000? First of all, we want to check if the user paying has enough money. So if okay, no. I'm doing this in a bad order. Await. No. Curse equals await self dot client dot member. We want to go down to this one. Dot cursor, which creates our cursor instance, and then we want to do curse dot execute, which is just our query, and then we want to do so I don't like not having two of those. Select balance from members. I guess I should do a triple. That's 4. That's 2. Gosh, I hate these. 2, 3. And now we can go down a line where ID is equal to, then we're going to add a question mark, and then we go to the end of here, and I have no clue what that's called, but it basically just makes it so you're not directly putting it in, so therefore it's less vulnerable to SQL injections, I think, or something. And then context.author.id. And now we're gonna do. So what do I do here where we bow someone? So okay, right there. Select balance for members where fetch. Okay, yeah, we wanna. And we do with that. Okay, so fetch FETCH. I'm just gonna do that for not dying purposes. Equals await curse dot fetch 1. And now here where we do our if statement. If fetch 3 so this is going to return a balance is less than amount context.channel.send in. Hey Google, spell insufficient.
Insufficient is spelled INSUFFICient.
Okay. And we want else. We'll just do elif, just elif fetch 3 it's more than AMT. We want to curse dot execute auto 66. Sorry. We want to I'm thinking. Oops. So right up here, I need to talk when I think it's a lot better. We are selecting that. So we can still use fetch 3. Hold on. Okay, first of all, I want to explain what I'm thinking about. So if someone puts a negative number into here, technically won't they, when I do this next thing, be able to... Okay, so what I'm going to do is equals fetch 3, so which is going to be what they have, minus AMT. Alright, and C.execute. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Update members. Hold on. SQL update statement. Okay, yeah, so where condition can be after. Set balance equals to question mark where ID equals question mark, and we'll go after here, comma, bam. So then the first one is going to be new balance, and the second one is going to be ctx.author.id. Okay. I'm doing a lot here, so there's a lot of room for error. I'm going to do the whole thing and then fix the errors later. That is when people give up. So, what was my little checklist thing here? No, wrong checklist. Okay. Then, no, not what I wanted to do. Okay, we're just going to hope there's not an error in there. We're not going to run that command right now, because I just want to know what my ID is. Okay, so now if I just come here, oh, dash bow. No, what, huh? Huh? Dash bow. Control C. Okay. Now you can all go away. There was no error. So then, tax equals. How do you get percents? What do I want to do? So, if my tax is 1%, we want to divide the amount. So, tax equals AMT over 100. Because we want it divided by 100. And then we want to do, no, not 1,000. Curse dot execute. Oh, it is, I can't stop saying that. And then update members. No. Set balance. Well, that's a problem. So right here is what I need to do. Curse dot execute. Select balance from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Select balance from members. No. Members. No. Where ID is equal to boom. Does it have to be a string? not videos. Yes. Okay. So boom, boom, boom. Little space because I'm. Okay. First thing I want to do is await self dot client dot members db dot commit. So I want to commit this, then I want to select that, and do I have to await us fetch? There's a lot of errors waiting to happen in this line of code. You know that? So then we want to set balance to tax. Oops. Tax. Why I'm doing all of this in one statement, I don't know. But I am, so deal with it. Commit. And then we want to await self.client. I know we all love this committing thing. Commit. Okay, now we have successfully done those three. Now we just need to add the amount. Maybe I shouldn't have a tax. Maybe I should only have a tax for... that just like ruins everything I just did though. Because I just thought about adding money and that's just stupid. So, bye baby. So, we are removing tax. That's only for coin flipping gambling. So we've done that, because set balance equals to new balance. Okay, so now we just need to curse dot execute update member update. That looked good. Members. There's something wrong with this key. I found the issue. There was no stabilizer on it. Oh, that looks interesting. Okay. Set balance course equals to question mark. Oh, well, I'll do that in a second. Where what we want to do. Okay, first thing we have to do. This code. It's annoying. Don't talk to me about it. I will slit your throat. Okay. Now, what we have to do is we have to run a different curse.execute. This is just going to be a select statement. Oh gosh. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Select balance from members where ID is equal to question mark, and then we go to the end of here, comma, parentheses, and then this is going to be receiver.id. So I'll just briefly explain to this. It's confusing. This took me a long time to figure this out. This creates a variable with the user instance based on their name. So this takes their name and converts it into a user class, like a user class. It's an instance of the class, and so it has different methods like ID and stuff. So yeah, so we're just getting the receiver ID. Oh, I guess. No, I need this. Oh, wait. Where is it? Self. No. What am I looking for? Fetch. Balance equals await curse dot fetch 1. And so then here we just want to do balance plus I think if you put a negative oh my gosh, EMT. So I think what would happen is if whoever entered a negative number, okay, so first it would where's fetch 3 from? Fetch 3. So this is getting the author's ID, and so if it's less than the amount they have. Oh dang, I did counter that because I was gonna, so it should tell me insufficient funds, assuming we don't get an error. But if we don't get an error, honestly, I would be rather proud of myself, and that's not a good thing. There's not gonna be an error until I do. Well, that's an unexpected error. Huh. I did it again. I did it again. Gosh. Tabbing is stupid. Python is supposed to be like super just like lenient on tabbing. Let me tell you, it isn't. I like how this dude's so confused while I'm trying to pay him money. Oops. So fetch 3. It's only fetching 1. That's just in reference to fetch 1 and fetch. Yeah, let's just pretend like there is no fetch 2 because screw fetch 2, am I right? So what if I do that? So that's just indexing the first. Maybe it'll work. Maybe it won't. Who gives a crap? Not me. Should I do like dash ref fall dash pay? Hate me. Let's dash pay at chop 100. Oh, it wasn't awaited. You're not gonna tell me that? You're just gonna ignore it? Or is it not saying ignoring? Oh, it did acknowledge the fact that I just completely forgot an await statement. That's cool and all. This is complicated. So, it is claiming, my bad, it is claiming that fetch 3 here is empty. There is nothing there. Okay. And, you see, that's a problem. So, my ID definitely should be on there. Context.author.id. So, what I think I need to be looking at is this. What if, hear me out, instead of doing that, I print m.id, comma, I would like to just I would like everyone to acknowledge that these do not exist. Like all these missing await statements never happened. Like these 6 errors. Oh, well, that would probably be my error right there because it's not working. Great. Oops, opened the wrong thing. I'm kidding. I enjoy this a lot, kinda. Wait. Oh, wait. I've tested this. It's just muting it for me, not y'all. Okay. I see SQLite errors. I have no idea what that means. Select balance curse.execute. So we got 1, 2. Shall I put like a? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Well, am I? What if I do that? And that. Does that fix my problem? Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? I don't. Haha. Bot is online. Cox loaded. Okay, we're going to mention Chop Chop another time. Huh. First of all, where does it... So fetch 3. Select balance from members ready. So that's returning his balance. Cool. Now the error is right there. It's not instance of tuple and int. So I am returning that. And that's an integer. Apparently that's a tuple. How, when I do balance, okay. Does that not become no longer a tuple when I do, oops, fetch 3, bam, 0, control S, bam, bot, bada boom, boom, pow. I'm getting tired. Okay, so it's printing that as an int. As an int. Oh, okay. I'm gonna go to the Discord help server and get some help because it's kind of late and I just can't really think of how I would. That's definitely not for this channel, and someone's gonna yell at me. Haha, see, she did. So type Control C. Then we go to Python help and we copy and paste. Gosh, it's been 5 minutes since someone answered. This isn't good. Means it could take hours. Until then, I shall entertain you guys. All 0 of you. Haha. I don't care. I like talking to myself. I very much enjoy it indeed, actually. Because it gives me time to reflect and improve on my speech skills. I honestly, I don't know what I would say if someone was in here. I just like talking to this, knowing that none of you can hear me. Okay, music it is. Oh yes, Sexy's answering. For the record, this is Sexy. I'm not crazy. What method are you calling? This is a good one. Kill killer. Let's see. Kilimanjaro. Oops. Oops. Oh gosh. To this one. Oh. That would be it. December, you love me, but okay, what do I keep printing? Don't. Oh, I don't know what the song is. This looks very sketch. I'll give it a chance. Oh gosh, this looks scary. This location is called fucking insane, so. This song sucks. So Bal, I don't want it sending author ID. And what is it printing? So it's is the dollar sign supposed to go before or after? That sounds dumb. Pretend I didn't say that. I don't. That's still my question, of course, but just pretend I didn't ask it, because I feel like that's something. It's just stupid. Like, I feel like I'm gonna look stupid when this is correct. I think that's correct. Okay. You like? Question mark. Yeah, I'm pretty proud of this, to be honest. Well, it was fun. Thank you, everyone, for coming, even though there weren't many of you. I hope you had an amazing time listening to me rant on. Well, the first half of this I was muted, so that sucks and all, but thank you for being here for the later half, if you were. And I'm gonna go. So, yeah, give me a minute. I have to figure out how to end this stream. I'm not very good at this yet.